I'm going to show you guys how to crimp your hair with the straightener today. Because like I try doing it with a crimper sometimes, the triple barrel. It doesn't like, it always takes me forever. I'm so impatient, and it doesn't always turn out the way I want, and plus it never stays. So I learned how to do it with the straightener the other day, and I want to show you guys. I'm gonna straighten my hair now, and then I'll start crimping. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna take your hair like this. You go up, down, and then up again. Like, you watch. Let's take a piece of my hair. Alright. Go down. Go that way, and then you go that way. Ta-da! And you have a wave. You just go and do that through all of your hair. Down, up, down. Looks really cute. Okay, so I'll finish doing the rest and then I'll show you how it looks at the end. Hey guys, was it easy? Was it hard? I don't know if you can see this side. It looks better than this side. But yeah. Hope you liked it. Can you see it? It's like wavy. The style is just like cool for like the beach, because it's like spring break right now. So yeah, this is cool for the beach or just like a laid back kind of day. Nice and rainy, or if you just want to change it up and you just want to do something different. So yeah, watch my videos.